Oh no, it seems that the Thomas and Friends garage is up on flames. How has that happened? I think it's time to wake up Thomas, Percy, and James to tell them that the garage is on fire. Quick, guys, get out. And Thomas said, we can't. We got coal engines. It takes us at least 5 or 10 minutes to get up to temperature. So Thomas and Friends were stuck in the garage, and the garage was on fire. But Percy said, let's phone Fireman Sam and Peppa Pig to see if they can rescue us. So meanwhile, at the Pontypandy...
Yes, almighty evil one! That's him! That's the clown we've been waiting for! Have the gall. A friend in need is a friend in...
One day, we were helping Missy babysit a nest of baby bunglebirds, and no lion protecting her. This is my chance, thought Missy. And off they went in the nest. You're keeping the right color. My daddy's keeping me a real lion to keep me safe. Poor Missy, he turned and ran as fast as he could, all the way to his cave. He curled up his bed. I don't like being different. Danced away till dusk. But Olive was having too much fun, and as she boogied through the bushes, she realized he was lost, deep in the forest, in the dark, all alone. Oh dear, she cried, please help. But she was so far away that no one could hear her. What could they? There was a long way away, enormous ears, and something, Missy! Coming to rescue you, said Olive, and he kneeled up and down, and off they went. He flied, and towards them, all friends might prove great friends.